Yo, what's good, people? We back at it again. I'm live out of breath. I don't know. This beef is just, dog. I don't know, but for me, I feel like Usimamane is winning this one. I'm not gonna lie, cause he's like, how do I put this? They are dissing him in a way, but man, I don't know, but it's just not. You get what I'm saying? And another thing, okay, we could argue that, okay, it's probably the subs, so it's probably going to get more numbers, but numbers-wise, it's destroying the boys. And even, like, you know who decides wanna beef is the crowd. And so far, they're on Usimamane's side, so I don't know. But nah, he dropped another track, it's called The Real... Yo! Wait a minute. I think this is what he was talking about, whereby he said you took my body and put your face because when your body is all, as in your body doesn't look good and whatnot, because he took Lacabra's thingy and he put his face on it and he titled Real Bully. Peep this, guys. Wait, I'm gonna show you real quick. Can you see this? That's the one that Lacabra was talking about. But nah, let's see what he's actually talking about. These guys are beefing, but I feel like they were cool back then, because you see that feature that we're looking at right now, Ghost featuring Lo-Fi and Lacabra. So yeah, it's just a test of it. Okay, you guys say I can rap, let's see who's the real rapper. It's calm, bruh. Right, to test on a matter, but that doesn't mean you guys are enemies and whatnot. It's good, bruh. Niggas fight. If you really look at it, bruh, the motherfuckers who actually fight and think, they end up either just being cool or it's not too deep. But those ones who just don't do shit, those ones who be hating each other deep in, bruh, they keep no actually solving anything, no fighting, nothing. But nah, let's check out The Real Bully. Let's see what he's saying on this one, bruh. Hey, cause nah, this nigga's been bullying them for real, and it's not yo.
Actually, let me make a better song.
Did this nigga just take his beat? Let me make a better song, it's diabolical.
I took car and leave, but never number two. Look at you, thinking that you got that dog in you, but you're a Scooby-Doo.
Thinking you got that dog in you, but you're a Scooby-Doo. Oh, Lord. Nigga saying you're sweet. No.
Yeah. I took car and leave, but never number two. Look at you, thinking that you got that dog in you, but you're a Scooby-Doo. Podcasting and tweeting about me on local interviews. I just got a double story crib, my girl, she loved the view. You saying that you didn't bread, but you still looking dusty. No dimension, you a bully me, so clean up on suspect.
Hey! Nigga say I got you got in your crib, I got out of view. Say you're getting bread, but you're looking dusty. Hey! Say you can bully me, oh no. He processed into this shit because I messed with it, do some fun.
Girl, she loved the view. You saying that you getting bread, but you still looking dusty. No dimension, you a bully me, so clean up on suspect. Cheese how I said tables, pay his life, consider him as lucky. Calvin Klein on these fucking bluest bitch gon' call me back. The only
Oh, Vegeta was said them. Wait, who calls himself Vegeta? Fuck, I'm not informed. Niggas help me. Who calls himself Vegeta? It has to be part of the coiners because he's talking about the card specifically here. So he's saying he calls himself Vegeta or Vegeta them. You Evana. Imhlolo. Let's go.
Louis bitch gon' call me back. The only real bully I recognize is Kitini. That we time riding this, but we ain't Cardini. Bigger than the guys combined. I'm the biggest Nakini. Hating cause your sister had a crush. Stop shit. You gave me smirks to get a back up from.
You're hating cause your sister had a crush. Oh wow. Wait, that's what you were saying. What you're lying about my sister and shit. Oh wow. No. Yeah, you better.
Bigger than the guys combined. I'm the biggest Nagini. Hating cause your sister had a crush. Stop shit. You rocking Aries merch to get a backup from the slimes. And I can buy a little catalog. Shit won't cost me a dime.
I can buy your catalog and it won't cost me a dime. You say you'd be rocking the Aries merch to get a cosign from the slimes. Buying face basically. Damn. Okay.
From the slimes and I can buy a little catalog. Shit won't cost me a dime. Gonna sell your album. Shit was bonds and I was trying to shine. I'm fucking outside with a shit. Cheetah, there's nowhere to hide. King in time where I said brown will make you thinking that you better than me. First debut album BC.
Ubhemintsangu yase yiphi le sesiyifuna phela. Ubhemintsangu yase Bram thinking you're bigger than me. So the Bram is the best plugs. We never knew. Sesiyakhona. Yeah, we wanna be higher than this guy. Nkosi yami. Sumthuza la mayezi kanje so. Oh Lord. Intsangu yase Bram is mad. I'm not gonna lie.
Let's sell your album. Shit was bonds and I was trying to shine. I'm fucking outside with a shit. Cheetah, there's nowhere to hide. King in time where I said brown will make you thinking that you better than me. First debut album BZ. My shit couldn't be me. Took a
first debut album amazing. It was an ass. Impundu. Yo. Nigga say it would never be me. Wait, how did his album do, bruh? The first one. Maybe it was the, we never know, bruh. Hey, but it's in God. Yo. This nigga's not right, bruh.
See my shit, couldn't be me. Took a break from trapping, yeah, I walk and still ain't bigger than me. Knew your ass was envious, it shows the way you looking at me.
Nigga said I took a break for a whole year and you're still not bigger than me. That is mad, bruh. A fucking year. I shame, Azish.
Seen that BBL boss on recycled. I'll murder you and that's a promise. One hand on the Bible. Stop tweeting that you are Mr. Bully. Bitch, come take the title. Take the fact.
I'll murder you. I'll murder you is diabolical. That is so shy. I'll murder you. Saying a real bully, come take the title, nigga. He said that old bar, but yeah. That old bar about S is now recycled, bruh. Like everyone's. Come on. Let's go.
Better than me, but I am still your idol. Put on that auto tune and you say, okay, let me sound like him. I be shining, I'm a star, the type of light you cannot dim. We can't even leave the music for a Scrabble 20. You had a legend of 5 free stopping 20, trying to get a hit song. So
not him mimicking the way it sounds. Not him mimicking the way it sounds. No, Usimamane is not a good guy. What is this point? What is this? Niggas mimic. Okay, let me use some auto-tune, maybe. Oh, Lord. Nigga said you can squabble, boy, and I'll fuck you up. Joe. As a Ramuzwa. I wish they could meet just once. Said I knew you're hating from the way you're looking at me at the show. That is crazy.
20 you had a legend of 5 free stopping 20, trying to get a hit song so bad. It's so fucking sad. Either you baiting about my ass or you cannot rap. Put your ass across the fence stage, but you was a fan. I remain the bully, King Kong. You ain't fake.
I remain the bully, King Kong. When in fan. Yo! Nah, this is crazy, bro. This is yo. Damn. Nigga said on the big god, you're a fan, nigga. Stop talking. Wow. Sure. Nah, at this point, bro, let's just leave it here. Let's leave it here. Usimamane won. Let's just leave it there, bro. We can't say, please don't release anymore. The beef is done, guys. So pelile. They are not doing it for me. I'm not gonna lie, bro. This can't be a one-way show, bro. Cause you know, if another one comes again, that's also cool. Come on, bro. Recycling shit. Okay, it sounds like okay. There is some animosity towards the guy, right? But then like, find something else to diss him about, bro. Cause now he's even trolling you guys on some. Hey, you guys keep talking about the ass whooping. And why are you even talking about that niggas? You know what? But it's fine. Anyway, guys, Usimamane won. I don't care what anyone else says, but this beef was so. Because I really thought it was gonna go like. But okay, he was just proving a point that niggas can't rap like that. I'ma just say that, cause musically, I don't lie. Their music is proper, bro. You can bob to it. You get what I'm saying? Cause it's dope. Even so, what they did on Typhoon's Java, it's nah. You get what I'm saying? It's Java even co-signed them both, Usimamane and the Kwela. So meaning they both dope. You get what I'm saying? Musically, we can't take that away from them. But when it comes to diss tracks, bruh, they're being body bagged, all of them. I think we haven't heard Blue Pappy didn't enter the chat, and Lo-Fi would have probably done something. I don't know. Then there's Sasti. I don't know if Sasti is gonna enter or not, but hey, so far I got you. But anyway, guys, we out.